Hello there, math students. Dr. John with another trig identity for you. 1 over 1 plus sine theta there is equal to sec squared theta minus tan theta over cos theta. Here we have the left-hand side and the right-hand side. Both of them are fairly complicated, but this looks more complicated since it has a square function in it and this fraction over here. So let's take a look and see if we can take the right side and create the left side with it. So we're going to see if we can work in this way. Like that. Let's take a look at this side over here. Well, here we have 1 over the cosine function. So 1 over cosine squared, that's this first term, minus sine theta over cos theta, divided by cos theta. So there's another cos theta over here. So this becomes cos squared theta. This theta, this squared, this cosine here becomes cos squared theta. Now notice you have a common denominator here. So on the top it's 1 minus sine theta all over cos squared theta. Once you have a cos squared theta or a sine squared theta, immediately becomes suspicious. We might be using Pythagoras Theorem. These are the 4 principles we're going to use in solving a lot of these. Trig definitions, we've already used a couple of those. Double angle, we haven't used that in this one. Pythagoras, and difference of squares. We won't use all of these in all of them, but we're going to use a variety of them in different problems. So here you notice you have what looks like something to do with a Pythagoras Theorem. If you remember, sine squared plus cos squared is equal to 1. That means cos squared is equal to 1 minus sine squared. I'll just move this sign over here. So this here is the same as 1 minus sine squared. Let's write this in here. 1 minus sine squared theta. Erase this. Notice here now you got something that looks sort of like a difference of squares. This denominator, this is the same as 1 plus sine theta times 1 minus sine theta. So this can cancel with this, leaving us 1 over 1 plus, leaving us with 1 over 1 plus sine theta. So here we have this right side over here that we have diminished into this function here, which is exactly what we wanted to do, and we've now proved this. So hopefully that helps. If it did, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.